So today was also a good day actually on Affirm, and I bought around 8,000 share on Affirm, and I just put my TP around 1,000, which I always do. So here you can see the Nasdaq also is on pullback. So what I did, I just bought 7,000 share for first step, and then I just waited to get the trigger. So I just waited to good position. So here I just bought around 7,000 for first step, and then I just put my target around 1,000. And after that, when I saw the Nasdaq is still have that position for pullback, I just add another 1,000 share, and the total was around 8,000 share on Affirm. So here I just all the trade, and takes around 2 or 3 minutes the maximum, and I just bought around 1,000, and then I put my TP around 1,100. So, and you can see also here I just put my stop loss under that position around $13. So you can see it, and $13 was around 1,000 also my stop loss. So here I just waited to hit my target. So the reason you should always be careful about the index, it can be Nasdaq, it can be S&P, so just be careful about that. So that's why you always take care of the index, as always Nasdaq or S&P. It's also good for you if you trade, you should always be look to the Nasdaq or S&P. It's very important, guys. So here you can see I just go to the profit. I just waited to hit the target, and also today was also the news about the PCE, so which was 0.6%, and that was very also bad for markets. So the market also crashed today, but here I just made to get the pullbacks actually, but the Nasdaq of course is falling down, but I know. So here is just my target, hit it very quick and fast. So yeah, that was all guys for today, and yes, and I'm not trade anymore for today, so that was enough. And I just want to show you how you can trade, and with the small it could be a small, but of course you should be very careful when you trade in stock market or Forex or crypto also. So that was all today, guys. And of course, if you want to use this platform, it's called Colmex Pro, which I put the link in the description, and then you go direct to the sign up page. So that was all. Thank you for watching, guys, and have a nice day, night or morning. So just subscribe and like the video.